how to fix Snapchat map glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat map glitch on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find your apps or applications. Now just click on it and here you need to find apps. Click on it and once you find your installed apps, now just you need to search for Snapchat here. You can just scroll and you will find it, or you can type here Snapchat and then click on it, and after that go to permissions and here we'll find location. Maybe you will find it like that. Then all you need to do, just click on it and click allow only when using the app, and that's it. Then just go back and click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.